Okay, let's take a start. The topic is clothes and fashion, right? My first question is, are you interested in fashion and clothes?
Yes, I am interested in fashion and clothes because as the times passes, people have introduced many new things in clothes and fashion, and these are very amazable for me. So I love this.
Okay, I love clothes and fashion, right? And you can use, listen, for every question there is appropriate vocabulary. Clothes and fashion, you can say trend, right? Fashionable. So use these type of words. Let's go on. Do you have many nice clothes?
Yes, I have a lot of nice clothes.
Now listen, I have a lot of nice clothes, or I have a great collection of elegant clothes. कौन सा बेहतर है? Second वाला. Elegant का word तो आता ही होगा सबको. ठीक है? तो collection of clothes or many clothes, you just need to see that. ठीक है? Now I ask you again. Do you have many nice clothes?
Yes, I have a nice collection of clothes that often I wear when I went to some.
When I go to
some parties and other activities with other friends, then I wear them.
Okay. What kind of clothes do you usually wear?
I usually wear pant shirt type dresses. So these are very comfortable for me, and whenever I go to my work, I also use this. So pant shirt is my favorite.
Okay. Would you say clothes are expensive in your country?
No, some clothes are very expensive, but in daily life, what are you using? They are very
economical. Yeah, clothes are economical.
And they are very good, so we can use them.
Okay, or you can say it depends. If you go for international brands, then clothes are really expensive. Otherwise, if you buy clothes from local brands, then they are quite economical or reasonable, right? Let's go on. Do you like to wear fashionable clothes?
Yes, I like to wear fashionable clothes because whenever you go out and enjoy some parties with your friends, then you have to look different like other friends. So I always try new fashion.
Okay, थोड़ा सा इसमें additionally ना आके end पे आके थकना नहीं है. You just need to complete your answer. So therefore, whenever I wear clothes, I see what are the latest trends and I try to follow such trends, something like that, right? Okay, that's enough. Now it's your turn. Please get the mic. Go clip kar de mic. Text messaging. So, good. ठीक है नहीं गिरेगा. Do you like texting?
Yes, I like texting because when I have to talk my friend.
When I have to talk to my friends, talk
to my friend, I use text messaging. That's why I like texting my friends. Do you prefer sending messages or receiving messages? It depends.
It depends. You know, some people say message te peji. Yeah, they just like receiving, not sending. So, do you like sending messages or receiving messages, or do you prefer sending or receiving messages?
It depends.
It depends.
It depends because say, some messages are useless, and that's why there's types of messages.
Such type of messages.
Such type of messages I do not love.
I don't like,
and I also love to send messages to my friends, like useful things.
Okay, that's good. Have you ever received a confusing text message?
Yes, many times I receive confusing messages from my friends. That's I did not understand.
Okay, just speak a couple of sentences. Once I received a message that was in a foreign language. I did not know the language, so I couldn't understand that, something like that. Just elaborate further and don't stop. Don't just give the impression कि मैं रुक गया हूँ. होना चाहिए मैंने ख़त्म कर दिया answer. Yeah. In what circumstances is making a phone call better than sending a text message?
When you have to talk a long time with
emergency, when there is something, emergency situation and all that. Yeah.
So I love to talk. I love to call to my friends and someone.
Now it's not about your friends. In
To
what
someone.
circumstances is making a phone call better than sending a text message? See, I think in case of emergency, it's always better to call, because sometimes people don't check their messages immediately. So if there is any emergency situation, then you can call, something like that, right? So organize your answer, number one. Number two, until the end, you should not leave your momentum. Momentum means not at the end till par jaye. Nahin. At the end, even the last sentence, what would you say? Last impression is also important impression, right? Should do that. Okay, thank you.